In this quick video, I'll show you how to create private server on the strongest battlegrounds. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, open roblox.com website in your computer, then search here strongest battleground and open this game in your website. Once you open it, tap on servers tab and then we need to click on create private server. Here choose your server name. I want to name it this and then click on buy now. Now you don't need to worry because it is a free server. We just need to click on it. Once you click on it, your server will be created and then it will ask you to customize your server. If you want to customize it, then click on customize and from here you can choose everything about your server. Make sure to enable allow joining so that anyone can access your server. If you disable it, then your server will be inaccessible and it will be a private server. Make sure to enable it, and you can also allow your friends by enabling this icon. Then your friends will be allowed inside your server. You can also add server members for your server. For that, tap on add people and select the people which you want to add as a server member. You can also create a private server link. For that, tap on generate and then this is the server link for your server. If you copy it and send it to your friends, then your friends can easily join your private server or public server. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.